Well. I am back. So, for all of you who have been watching me for a while, you're going to be saying to yourself, where have I been? Because I was uploading every day from 2025 and it was good. You know, I had a rhythm and I really did enjoy it. But then I literally had to stop because one, it was getting a bit too much. Even though I enjoyed it, I wouldn't say getting too much. It was just getting a bit all over the place, and I'll tell you the reason why. Because I was a bit confused on where this channel was. I wanted to try different things with this channel, but I realized because I was getting in such a rhythm with the reaction videos and stuff, it just made sense to do it. But then I thought to myself, I was like, oh, I want to change up a bit. I want to do more tutorials and stuff like that. But now I'm really going back to what the channel was supposed to be, which was just basically an AI reaction channel, and breaking down some AI news as well, and reading some articles and stuff like that. And I did really enjoy it. It increased my knowledge of things as well. And you know, we were breaking down some really good case studies, and the rebranding. Lord have mercy, the amount of rebranding I've done is ridiculous. It's quite funny when I look back at it. I think I've literally changed my brand name at least 3 to 4 times. So yeah, you get the picture. And obviously when you're uploading every day, you're always looking for new stuff and things that you can cover. And you know, with AI there's a lot of stuff to cover anyway. But I was getting bored of the channel, and I was going to generally delete it as well. That's the funniest thing. I generally was going to delete this whole YouTube channel. Not because I felt like, oh no, it's rubbish and that. It's just like I was actually just getting tired of it. But then one thing I really did enjoy was the rhythm of it. Like, I generally did like uploading. I enjoyed seeing the odd comment there and there. So yeah. So we're back with full force, I should say. And we're going to take it more... How can I say? We're not going to take it more. We're just going to do what we were supposed to be doing from the first place. And I'm laughing to myself because I've been trying to overcomplicate things. But we're just going to stick to the lane of literally AI reaction videos, AI news. If there's other stuff that are going to come in the future, then yeah, we'll give it a go. But for now, we're just going to stick with that lane. So without further ado, this is the AI case study. Please, you are welcome to view my contents. And yeah, let's get this ball on the roll. So, peace out, and I will see you in, or I should say, hopefully see you on future videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And it will be my honor and pleasure to be giving you the AI case study. Thank you very much.